Well, this, folks, is the deep Arctic. We're 200 miles above the Arctic Circle, and it's absolutely beautiful. All right, all right. See all that steam up ahead? That's where water from the river is coming up on top of the ice. It's called overflow. Oh. This is all frozen overflow right now. It's slick. My socks are starting to get wet, which kind of stinks when it's -18. We're on frozen overflow. You can hear the ice popping as we drive over it. "120 years ago, this was the only way to travel the interior of Alaska. Mushers would go hundreds of miles to deliver supplies to the various communities. And in many parts of Alaska, it's still the best way to travel."